Hello, my name is David Isamoje, owner and founder of What a T-shirt Design. Whoa, first of all, I want to say thank you so much. Thank you for the love. Today is the 14th of February. If you're watching this on the 14th of February, or if you're watching it on any other day, just know the love never dies. So I just want to say I love you all. I love you, my viewer, for clicking on this video. I love you so much. I know someone is smiling. I can see someone smiling. Even I can't see you directly, I know someone is smiling, and there's a lot of joy in your heart. Yes, super love. I'm passing my love down to you. So today I want to talk about Redbubble tags and how to make money using the right tags on Redbubble. Yes, this is a very, or should I say, an highly requested video, and I'm going to deliver that today to show my love to you guys. As you can see, my page is my channel. I do most design videos. As you can see, if you scroll through, it's mostly design videos, but you guys have requested for this video, and today, the 14th of February, I'm gonna deliver that, and I'm gonna show my love to you guys. So please, to show me love back, please, for as much as a lot of you will watch this, because I have the feeling that a lot of you will watch this and YouTube will show me love on this video, please subscribe, like, and share this video. It will really help a lot of people to make passive income when it comes to Redbubble. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight right to it. Please, I will advise you not to click out of this video. This is going to be one of the best videos you watch in 2020, or if you're watching in 2021, it's going to be evergreen 2022. Please don't click out. So without wasting much of your time, let me open Redbubble and just go straight right to it for you. It's not going to take time. It's going to be about a 5-minute, 6-minute video. It's super easy to do this research. So to start with, this is Redbubble. Redbubble is a place where you upload your design. This is where I upload my design. You can see some simple, easy design to do. You don't need to be complicated about your thinking or design. Simple design sells. People want simple design. This is a simple design. It sells crazy. I know that for sure. So this is a video where you used to make money. And if you are yet to make money from print on demand, Redbubble is the place you want to be. So without wasting much of your time, we'll just go straight right to the design. So for this one, let's say we designed a duck, let's say a duck t-shirt. So I'll just come here and type duck t-shirt. Oh, sorry about that. Duck, supposed to be a duck t-shirt. Duck, let me do, supposed to be a duck t-shirt. So it's super easy. Getting tags, popular tags, is done in 2 ways. I'm sharing one of my most talked about secrets. It works all the time. It helps you make more sales. I'm telling you, it helps you make more sales. So what you want to do is you want to scroll through and go all the way down. That's what you want to do. You can just scroll. If you've not done your design and you want to do a design around dogs, you can just scroll around and just watch and see the designs that sell. What you're seeing on the home page are top selling design, obviously, on Redbubble. So you just want to scroll till you get to all the way down, and this is where you want to be. Related search. These are what I used by the top search result you've seen up where we scroll down from. These are their tags. Most of them, these are their tags. These are the most popular tags. These are what people put into the search to get to that place. As you can see, I put duck. Remember, I put just duck, and I got those search, and you see duck is here. Funny, ducks, cute, animals, hunting. Sorry about that. Animal, hunting, and the rest. Fun, cute, birds, animals. You see, it's as simple as that. So with that, you just know you need 15 tags. So you can see this one is just 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10. So to get more, just fill out your 15 tags. To get more, what I'll do is just tell you, go to one of these listings. And just open it in a new tab. This is the second way to get it. You just open it in a new tab. As simple as that. Then you scroll all the way down to, obviously for this person to be on the home page, you know it's making sales, and this is where you want to be. As you can see, it says all product tags, this t-shirt tag. So you see, this person did not use a lot of tags, so this will not be a super good example. So I'll just close this and go back and find a doc t-shirt like this one, open it again. It's simple, it's not complicated. So please, if you are watching it, just watch to the end, just scroll down to the end, and you get, so you see, this is what I've been talking about: duckling, pocket duckling, duckly duck, duckly. These are what people are searching for. So if you just add this, make sure you use not more than 15 tags. Just add 15 good tags related to ducks, ducklings and all, and Redbubble will do the rest for you. So far they know it's a t-shirt. You just add these tags with t-shirt in front. Say pocket dunking, pocket ducky t-shirt, dunking duck, ducky t-shirt. You see, that's the way it works. So that's about it. Just if you click to your right, you see my playlist or my Canva t-shirt design. Just watch those playlists, and please give this video a like and a thumbs up. All you have to do is put these tags in your listing, and it's going to get you sales. Just make sure you put as much as you can into your design. Don't make your design complicated, just make it super easy. Make plenty of those designs and upload on Redbubble, and I'm sure you start making sales in no time. Thanks for watching. To your right, you see my playlist. Please click on it, watch more, and have a good day.